people want to know, where'd you get that from? Where'd you get that? What's up, guys? Naturally Big Brit here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is blown out, honey. It is looking long and luscious. But guess what? I'm about to get a sew-in. Hey. It's literally been years since I've had another sew-in. This time I'm going to be using hair by Essentrals. They sent me this beautiful, luscious, thick hair, and this is in their like wavy series. They have a straight wavy, like a body wave series. This is their natural black color, and I have 3 bundles in 16, 18, and 20, and I've never had hair that long before. So I think I'm just going to do a partial sew-in with a middle part and leave some of my hair out, which I'm a little nervous about like blending, but I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see how I like it. I just blew my hair out with the tension method, and I'll do a full video on that very soon. So I'm on my way to Brooklyn. I'm going to see my little sister Bree, who is a licensed hairstylist, and I'm just gonna go to her apartment. She's gonna do the sew-in for me, and we're just gonna hang out, and I'm gonna show you guys how she does my braid pattern, how she sews it in, and of course how I feel about this hair once it is installed. Like, y'all. All right, let's go.
So real quick, I just want to show you how the hair arrives. It comes in this really nice satin package, and each bundle is separated by a little netting to protect the hair. So you have this little hair care card that is attached. It shows you what kind of hair you got, the length, and then some hair care instructions and information on the back. And these wefts are sewn so thin and nice and neat. So I just went ahead and co-washed my hair, and I'll show you the product down below in the description if you're interested. I just put a clip on the ends, and then I rinsed the hair, put some co-wash in finger detangled, and then let the co-wash sit on my hair for about 5 minutes. So you can see I just got a tiny little bit of shedding, like barely any shedding on these 3 bundles, which was really nice. And then I went ahead and just rinsed the hair through, air dry overnight before I went ahead and sewed it in.
All right, guys, so I made it down to Brooklyn with my sister Bree, who's about to hook me up a middle part with just a little bit of leave out here and then in the front.
Nice. So I'm gonna braid it down going this way towards the back, connecting all of it. You have one little braid left in the back, and then we'll sew you up. Got the hair, we're ready.
Yeah, what do you think of the hair?
The hair is great. It feels full and thick and shiny without being crazy.
Right.
And the bundles are full all the way to the ends, which is great.
And these are some long bundles. I got a 16, 18, and 20 inch.
Nice.
So I got some long hair, y'all. I'm about to be looking glamorous.
Honey.
Hey!
So here is the braid pattern that my sister did. It makes it super flat and really neat, especially if you have thick hair. So you braid down a single cornrow about halfway through, and then you add in the previous braid into the hair, and that leaves you with just one braid at the very end to sew up into your hair. And I'll link a video down below, something I found on YouTube that was super helpful. Pro tip, have 2 needles ready so that you can continuously keep sewing and you don't have to stop to re-thread. You can see my sister is taking the curved needle, and she's going underneath the weft and into the braid, and then tying that off at the end. So that's how you really end each section. Because we're doing the fold over method, which I prefer, just minimizes the shedding, especially when you have good quality virgin hair like this Essentrals hair. You want to make sure that your sew-ins last. So you can see she's just going right underneath that weft into the braid and tying that off right on those ends a few times to make sure that it's nice and flat.
Making money moves out here with this hair. Oh God. I've never had hair this long or this full. So I just curled it, just like kind of like chunky sections with long curls. And then I just flat ironed my leave out, which she just left a teeny bit out. And yes, I'm loving it, y'all. I'm so into this. Like, what? Here is where it ends. My hip is right there. All right, guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my process of getting a sew-in for the first time in years. Seriously, my sister hooked my hair up. This thing is so flat. Like, can you even see any sort of bumps and lumps? Like, not at all. So make sure you go to her Instagram. I will link everything down below if you guys want to reach out to her if you want to get a sew-in. She does natural hair. She does all kinds. She does wigs. They be hooking it up. And big thank you to Essentrals for sending me this bomb hair. I mean, seriously, this hair is so thick. It is so beautiful and so soft. Has a really nice, just like natural sheen to it. The color blends beautifully with my like 1B, like natural black kind of hair. It looks so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you go check out Essentrals hair. I will link them below. They have a bunch of different kinds of hair. I also was sent some coily clip ins in 18 inches. I'll link that video up above here so you can go check that out. And of course, subscribe. Leave me a comment down below if you try to get a sew in, because y'all, this sewing life is kind of cute. I think that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next one.